The frost has severed the dahlias, so it's time to uproot them and keep their tubers in a protected environment inside the shed. And it's also time to plant the dahlias and all bulbs for next spring's display of flowers. You're watching Channel 1, your gardening and kitchen channel. Warm welcome to you wherever you are in the world. Let's join Rovilo at his garden. Warm greetings from the garden, your kuya here. The dahlias are gone. And it's early November. Time to plant the dahlias. I'll be planting them in pots because that would be easier. I can move them where I want to see them. Perhaps the question is, can we also plant tulips here in warmer weather? That's a discussion. If you're interested to know, there's a discussion on that and a demo on planting tulips lasagna on Wednesday. Come back here on Channel 1. For the meantime, let's plant our tulips. So that would be next Wednesday this week, uploading, and coming up perhaps the most interesting harvest from our garden, our Christmas tree. Coming up here on Channel 1, your garden and kitchen channel. Just like your kuya here, Rovilo.